Hello, fellow travelers. Today, let's escape to a quieter, more authentic Italy. Forget the crowds. Imagine sun-warmed skin, lemon-scented breezes, and tranquil corners far from the tourist trail. Our adventure is set to the gentle pulse of deep house chill music, the perfect soundtrack for a soulful escape. Picture vibrant markets, secret beaches, and the taste of homemade pasta in a family trattoria. Let the chill vibes guide you to moments of pure bliss. The journey begins now. Let's find the beauty waiting just off the beaten path. The Dolomites in northern Italy rise like sculptures into the sky. At sunrise, their peaks glow pink and orange, a magical light called Enrosadira. We drive through green valleys, past wooden houses, breathing in crisp, clean air. Imagine savoring canaderli dumplings in a cozy mountain hut. By Lago di Brais, the music and scenery help us find peace. Here, you recharge your spirit and remember what matters most. Ready for the next adventure? Let's go! Now, we journey south to Civita di Bagnoregio, a village perched atop a crumbling hill, linked to the world by a single footbridge. Known as the dying town, Civita is anything but lifeless. Crossing the bridge feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The valley views are breathtaking. The cobblestone streets are hushed and timeless. Only a handful of residents remain, guardians of this magical place. Wander narrow alleys, discover hidden courtyards, and soak in the peace. Our deep house soundtrack softens here, echoing the ancient stones and sweeping vistas. Enjoy a simple lunch in the piazza, music blending with the gentle breeze. Civita teaches us to find beauty in imperfection and strength in fragility. This village, though delicate, is full of life and resilience. Leaving Civita, you carry a sense of gratitude and wonder. It's a memory that lingers, a reminder of quiet, enduring beauty. Here time slows, and every moment feels precious. The music and the silence invite reflection. Civita is a living lesson in grace and perseverance. Let's cherish this rare experience. Ready to discover more hidden gems? Onward we go. Welcome to the Costa dei Trabocchi in Abruzzo, where wooden fishing platforms, called trabocchi, dot the coastline. Imagine dining above the waves, savoring fresh-caught seafood as the sun sets. The Costa dei Trabocchi is authentic Italy, uncrowded and full of charm. This coastline is a hidden gem, waiting to be explored. Every meal, every view, celebrates life's simple pleasures. Ready for the next adventure? The road leads on. Our path now leads to Matera in Basilicata, one of the world's oldest cities, famed for its ancient cave dwellings, the Sassi. Walking through Matera is like stepping back in time. Stone staircases, cave churches, and winding alleys tell stories of thousands of years. Once a place of poverty, Matera has transformed. Caves now house boutique hotels, restaurants, and artisan shops. The city is a living testament to resilience and renewal. Our deep house soundtrack here is slow and soulful, echoing the city's ancient, mysterious spirit. As dusk falls and lights twinkle across the hillside, the music creates a magical mood. Matera invites reflection on history, humanity, and our connection to the past. Standing on a terrace at night, you feel awe and a sense of belonging to something timeless. Matera is more than a destination. It's an experience that changes your perspective. The city's beauty is both raw and profound. Every corner reveals a new wonder. Here, the past and present blend seamlessly. The music deepens the sense of wonder and discovery. Matera is a treasure, ancient, enduring, unforgettable. Let's carry its lessons with us. Ready for one last escape? The islands await. Our final stop, the Aeolian Islands, a volcanic archipelago off Sicily's coast. Each island is unique, stylish Panaria, lush Salina, dramatic Stromboli with its active volcano. Here, we embrace island time, slow days, salty air, and endless horizons. On Salina, explore winding roads, black sand beaches, and the village of Polara, famed for its cinematic beauty. Life is simple. Fresh fish lunches, afternoon naps, and sunsets with local wine. The deep house music is light and breezy, matching the gentle rhythm of the sea. It's the perfect soundtrack for boat trips, beach days, and volcanic adventures. The islands remind us of nature's power and peace. Disconnect from the digital world, reconnect with the natural one. Swim, explore, and simply be. The Aeolian Islands refresh your spirit and body. Here, every moment is a gift. The relaxed pace is the perfect finale to our journey. Let the music and the sea carry you away. This is island serenity at its best. Our Italian adventure ends here, but the memories linger. Until next time. Our journey through Italy's hidden gems comes to a close. We've explored mountains, ancient towns, coastal wonders, and volcanic islands. Each place offered quiet moments, stunning views, and the soothing pulse of deep house music. This trip was about more than sights. It was about connection and discovery. I hope you felt the magic and serenity of Italy's secret corners. Remember, this is just the beginning. There are more hidden gems to find in Italy and beyond. If you enjoyed this escape, join our travel community by subscribing. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing these beautiful journeys. You're not just a viewer, you're part of the adventure. Thank you for traveling with me. May these memories inspire you to seek out beauty and peace wherever you go. The world is full of wonders, often just off the beaten path. Let's keep discovering them together. Subscribe, like, and join our community of fellow explorers. Until our next adventure, keep the chill vibes alive. Happy travels and ciao for now. See you on the next escape.